Welcome to Win Alley. Gotta hope my hand is good. Holy, this is crazy. Yeah, we both said that at the same time. It's gonna come around this corner, it's gonna be worse. Oh, maybe not. It's just friggin' our area is like so windy. It's not too bad here at all. So you come around that corner, it's like you're hitting the wind tunnel. Yeah. I don't know about you guys and all that, but I'm gonna get my blood checked and I don't like needles. So anybody who don't like needles, drop a like and let me know.
Right.
Because I hate them. And that's what I gotta do today. So you guys are coming with me.
Check the iron.
Yeah. Good old blood test. See how my iron's doing. And that's about it. And you know, you get some days I'm like, when I know I don't have to do this, I'm not hungry. And then the days when I have to do this, I'm hungry. Like I'm hungry, man. Very hungry. It's worse when I had to go 24 hours not eat. That was the worst. This broth, I was like, ugh. I was so weak that day, it wasn't funny. Yeah, I'm glad you were with me. I thought I was going to just collapse. It was really bad. You see your sister tomorrow, eh?
Yeah.
He's not like me, yeah. You gotta love them. Even when they take your wrestling dolls and break them. But I love your sisters. Especially when they're your younger brothers. I don't even know where they're coming from. Holy. This guy runs across when the fucking ambulance. Oh, and the ambulance is coming. Almost swore. Yeah, literally, but he ran across when the ambulance is coming. Oh, at least it's an ambulance, so if it got hit. There we go. This is crazy.
I know. Look at it. Crazy.
Holy.
Look at it. No Timmy's now.
And that's a brand new building, eh? They just made?
Right?
Brand new. And they're ripping it down. Holy. Demolishing it.
Right? Right?
Holy. That is crazy. Yo, to all these people like to win, we got some good feelings here thinking kites and everything else. We got it. Holy, legs are tired.
Yeah, after the wind, right?
Yeah. Well, hope you guys enjoyed my little vlog. It's almost 4 minutes. I think that's good enough.
We're driving like crazy through there.
Yeah. I don't even see pigeons here. It's not bad. Very windy. Hope they just take me. I don't have to wait. My appointment's at 10:30, so well, here we go. Wish me luck, guys. Drop a like, subscribe. This guy almost fell. Drop a like, yeah, drop a like, subscribe, and thank you guys. All the best. God bless. Bye-bye.